Radisson Blu Resort, Visakhapatnam, and in this video we are going to cover the room tour, the property tour and the various amenities that this 5-star property has to offer. So let's get started. The distance from Visakhapatnam airport is about 22 kilometers, which is about an hour drive from the airport to the property. Now let's start the room tour. We booked the Wayview room, which was around 10,500 for a night. As you can see, the room interiors are very well done. Radisson has this unique style of minimal yet elegant design. The room also had this balcony from where you could see the ocean, the pool and the play area. More on that later, but yeah, this is what the balcony looked like. It's a very decent size sit out area, so if you're traveling with kids, it's very good. Then inside they have the sofa, small table, a little setup like dining table setup that you can have your food on. The bed was king size, again super comfortable, and this is where you could keep your luggage. Washroom, again huge washroom, like more than required space you had inside the washrooms. I love Radisson washrooms, they're like really good. And then again right outside the washroom you have this luggage area where you can keep your luggage. On the right side there was this pantry and the cupboard to keep your stuff inside, but I never unpack in the hotel, so we just utilized the luggage area. And then yeah, this was all about the room. It was pretty decent enough to size a family of 3, like me, my husband and a kid, so it was pretty decent, giving you a whole idea of like what room looked like. It was like the ceiling was really tall, so it gave us a very fresh feeling inside the room. It was very airy and open. Yeah, so that's pretty much about the room tour. Now giving you a property tour, this is the clip from when we entered the property. The resort is so open and it's so beautiful. You will see these water bodies, fountains throughout the property, so it's really worth going on a stroll in this property because you will have great views. This is the reception area. Again, look at the grandeur. It's too grand, very classy, minimal, elegant and everything. So this is the reception area. There they have this board placed wherein they've got these activities to keep your kids engaged, and you can get more details from the reception staff. Now this is the pool area. It is located right across the reception and it is huge. Trust me, it's so beautiful. First of all, you get this green luscious forest kind of a view from the pool. It's an infinity pool. You've got the adult and kids pool just right across, so you know it's worth spending time here with the family. I'm giving you a view from inside the pool. This is how it looked. It was so good. And come on, you can't deny the importance of a play area when you're traveling with kids. So this is what the play area looked like. They have this outdoor and indoor play area right on the property, which is very accessible from the reception area and all the rooms. They had everything that your kid would need to keep themselves engaged and give you some time off. So there were a lot of board games, coloring books, puzzles and everything that kept my 1-year-old busy for a good duration. Now you can anytime request a cart ride on the property and they'll send it to you. Since this is a beachfront property, it is located on Rishikonda Beach of Visakhapatnam. You can access the golf cart ride and they will drop you to the point wherein you can access the beach safely from the property. This golf cart ride took about 3 to 4 minutes maybe, because the property is really huge. So yeah, I mean it was good to have a golf cart available whenever you want to access the beach and whenever you want to come back from the beach. So yeah, this was our view when we were on our way to the beach, and they drop you to the specific point. You can request the cart from there to come back. You can also get great views of Rushikonda hill from the property. This is the point I'm talking about. They'll drop you here and you'll have to walk to the beach. It's right in front. Not a big deal. Okay, so this side of Rushikonda beach was pretty clean because you don't see a lot of footfall and it's kind of private to the Radisson Blu. So yeah, you will see nature in its best form. It was rocky, nice, clean. Then it started getting dark and we thought of going back to the property because it was kind of getting a little scary for us. This is Rishikonda hill, by the way, on the right. So there's some palace hotel located on top of it. Yeah. So we decided go back to the room, and on our way back we encountered these beautiful fountains. It was the spa entry and also the gym. So here's a clip from the gym and spa for you. It's a fully equipped gym. If you would like to have a good workout, great place. This is the view of infinity pool from the other side. The Radisson Blu Visakhapatnam is a really beautiful property. If you're someone who enjoys nature in its raw form, you must go there. A very nice maintained resort with your family. You'll have great time. Now again, throwing a footage of what the pool area looked like at night. well lit. You can have a great time with your family and kids. Now next thing that we have obviously is food. They had all the variety on the buffet breakfast, Indian, continental, the regional, anything that you would request. They had these juices, anything from the live counter that you want, they'll give you right away. As you can see, they had a lot of variety, but sadly we couldn't enjoy it because we were not well towards the end of our trip. So we just had very basic stuff in the breakfast, and the property people were very kind. The staff was very kind to get us medicines in the middle of the night from a pharmacy which is like 12 to 13 kilometers away from the property. So thank you for that. Guys, this is all I have for this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Okay, bye.